Hi guys, my name is Shivakant. Uh, I'm going to start a new new series about stock market. You know, basically, I've been trading in stock market for the past we can say 2 years, and somewhere down the line, I think it is possible, to it's better to it's better to like invest in stock market as compared to invest in like other instruments. I know it is kind of a risky as well, but if you have capital with you, if you can invest 1 lakh or 2 lakhs or in lakhs, basically, if you have the capital to invest, then you can easily on like return with the very less risk as compared to because I think if you're dealing particularly in in large cap companies like big companies, if you don't trade in like small companies or like mid cap companies, if you only invest in large cap from one large cap company to another large cap company, then it is possible to earn the returns with the minimum risk, you know. So my series is going to be about this part that you know whatever I'm going to tell you, it's my practical experience, and there is no there is no kind of you know theoretical knowledge. It's all practical. There is no intraday trading involved. There is no intraday trading involved, and apart from that, I don't invest in basically options and and futures. I don't do that stuff as well. I only invest in large caps. You know, there are a few companies mid caps which I generally invest in, but those are maybe like big companies, not all mid caps. And I rarely invest in small caps. So basically, I majorly deal in large caps, and when I and fourth thing, when I when I trade, I don't trade on on the market value. I don't buy on the market value on the at the market at the market order. Basically, all the orders, whether it is buy or sell, those are limit orders. Limit orders means if you if you have a buy order, which is which is on limit, in that case, suppose you want to buy a fish share at around 1200. So you will the order will trigger at 1200 or less than that. That's a buy limit order. But and in the same way, I have a I sell at the limit order means if you want to sell at 1300, so the order will trigger at 1300 or more, not less than that. So basically, I think you must you must read on the various websites what's the what's the limit order. Basically, I execute only those orders will automatically get triggered depending upon the price of the company in the market, price of the share in the market, basically. So I do that things. So basically, I'm going to tell you how I trade, my practical experience, and and how much capital I do in my I invest in this series. So basically, so 4 points I want to so basically, for setting up your device, I think you must have like Zerodha app, okay, with you. And the second thing, you must install like money control app, and also you must have this money control icon, website icon on your phone, to open the website as well sometimes, not the app, because app is a little bit not comfortable to to view the articles and the news. Sometimes the website link is much more comfortable to me. And apart from that, there is one more app called Tickertape that you can install. Basically, these three apps you must have installed in your phone. Open your account on like on Zerodha, and second money control, and third is Tickertape. Apart from that, basically, you must install Telegram, and on Telegram you must join the Motilal Oswal group, and the Motilal Oswal group, and the money control group. There are multiple news on those two groups throughout the day that you can watch, and you know and accordingly you can choose your shares, in which share to invest in, which shares not to invest in, basically. So I'm going to, so this will be the end of the video, and basically set up all your set up all these things on your on your phone, and depending upon the response on this video, I'm going to make next video on about my next steps, how do I set up my like Zerodha app, how to set up your watch list, and how to trade during the day, at which time to trade, what are the best times, you know and how to indicate the trend of the market. you know Sometimes the market doesn't fall, but the stock falls. Sometimes the stock doesn't fall, but the market falls. So all these things I'm going to tell you. And last but not the least, if any questions you have about the market, and if I know about those answers, I will surely tell you and include those answers in the next video. So till then, goodbye.